Hello everyone and thank you for joining me today. It's Kay here and I've got two more mixed media layouts for you designed by Scrimpingmommy and given to group members on the Facebook group Create with Scrimpingmommy. Now the first page, as you can see, is travel based. There were 3 wonderful pages of digitals. I've got scraps left here so that I can share a bit of that with you. I did reduce the size of the images primarily because I didn't want to do a double spread. I just wanted to do this single spread as it stands, and all I did was rip up bits and pieces from the background paper. I wanted it to look like a holiday brochure catalogue whereby you're planning your travel and where you're going to go, which is why I used the globe, the tickets, the suitcases, and decided I'd probably travel by train, God forbid, but there we are. So I then used the mixed media modelling clay through a stencil. I used my Liquitex acrylic glaze to seal the plate, a little bit of wordage here and some mica spritzing prior to laying the papers down because I didn't want the page to look particularly modern, and then vintage photo around the edges, and I am thrilled to little bits with how the page has come together and how it's come out. So that was the first page, and then the second page is a very much more delicate page, as you can see, and these are more images. There again were 3 pages with wordage, with cutabouts, with all sorts on it, as you can see, and I took my lead from that. I've done some negative and positive stenciling using distress spritzing through a stencil, and then once I'd got the formative side there, turned it over, used up the ink, and that made the divider in the page. But I think it's come out really nicely. Then some cutabouts from the flowers and the other images of the ballet shoes. I again did reduce the imaging because I didn't want a double page. I just wanted a single page. Some little bits of lacy decoration, and this time it's a bit like a daisy, but I also found some tiny little roses here which I also applied to the waistband of the skirt. Some wordage with model paste, and then the acrylic finish to seal the page, and around the edge is a little bit of velvet distress ink, and again a very pleasing page. And as I've said and stated several times, I am not a mixed media artist, but I like to dabble with spritzer paints and distress paints and, you know, the carvable modelling paste as I have here, and my little book is actually looking quite good. I will do a run through at the end, but it's all thanks to Amanda's digital work and the fact that these images are free and you can just print as many times as you like, obviously, and the images can be used for far more than mixed media. Clearly you could use them as card toppers, as fill-ins for pages in a journal. You could make standalone decorations with the imagery and again apply that to a journal wherever you wanted it to be. So, you know, don't be put off by thinking, oh, mixed media. And to those of you that don't know Amanda, I will leave a link below this video so that you can follow and find her and take some comfort from her multiple inspiration. There is a touch of everything on her channel, and it's well worth checking it out. So take care everyone. Thank you once again for joining me, and happy crafting. Bye bye for now.